Guangzhou DOY Label Company Limited is an integrated manufacturing and trading company. Our business is custom products in 4 categories: garment accessories, gifts and crafts, packaging and printing, and sports and entertainment. For more than 10 years, DOY has provided customized solutions for global brand owners, importers, and manufacturers. With cell-phone factories audited by authoritative organizations, a strong supply chain, and a solid quality system, we control every key step from sampling to mass production and support one-stop procurement. Our products meet EU and US requirements and are certified by Oeko-Tex GRS and FSC. DOY has served over 9,000 B2B clients in more than 150 countries. On Alibaba, we have gained over 5,000 5-star reviews with several million US in annual online transactions. In the past 6 months, we processed nearly 2,000 orders, ranking among leading suppliers and earning the title Top Cantonese Business Company with an AAA Alibaba Business Index. For brand clients, we offer stable quality control and OEM/ODM experience with Carrefour, Coca-Cola, and other Fortune 500 companies, protecting your brand assets through NDAs and clear procedures. For e-commerce sellers, wholesalers, and manufacturers, we provide flexible MOQ, fast sampling, short lead times, and one-stop consolidation across 8 main categories and over 100 subcategories, plus near-factory pricing and multiple payment options to reduce supply risk and communication cost. We also offer services such as free samples, premium sample books, and annual rebates, etc. Our mission is to be the booster for the growth of clients' brands.